this guy said I'm too fat and need to hop out of the car. Are you serious?
Hear the pop bangs?
Yes.
That was a get.
I know, I drove past us.
Horrible. Horrible,
Ethan?
man. Hey,
Tyson? Hello. Lee?
Hello.
Paddy?
Hello.
Like switch lanes, we were chasing.
So wait, explain.
Okay, so we're at Tom Flood and we heard him, we saw him go past like near the bridge, and then we tried to get on the gas because we saw him going past. So we got up to Homemaker Centre and we went to go here because Daniel said, yeah, meet us here. And then we got to the traffic lights and we just heard bang, 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 bang.
And what car was it?
Oh, it was a Getz, mate. Getz with spotties on the top.
Yeah, surely Lee would do that. No, just stick them on the arm.
It's going good. I did see some awkwardness when I was watching it. Like that arm was moving, but I think it's fine now.
It's just flexing.
It's just flexing. It's just like, dude, look at it.
Meth does that to people. Hey, Lee. Meth must be cheap in Bendigo.
I saw it.
Well, I tried to catch up with him to ask him, but you know.
You should definitely make your get spot.
I got him.
I don't know how.
I got him to do it. He got next to me. I'm like, give her the reps, mate.
Do it, but I wanted him to tell me how he did it.
This guy's slacking, not even washing his car.
No, let in the pre-stakes.
Oh yeah.
Bit of a random vlog. I don't even think we're going to be doing anything, but I just thought I'd bring the camera along because Daniel's washing his car. I just finished work on my other job, and yeah, now we're just hanging out. There's heaps of cops out, so hopefully we can see people get pulled over or something because that'll be really funny. What do you boys think?
What?
Say yes.
There's lots of police out, so it'll be funny to watch people get pulled over.
Yes. I haven't seen a single cop.
I seen highway at like 5 o'clock.
Alright, move out. Get this car.
Coated this whole car.
It looks so good.
Damn, bro.
You can't see it because it's too dark. Stay there. I guess. There we go. What is this?
Yeah, like, he missed the spot, bro.
Bro, he's using it like it's a normal rag.
Damn, no reaction.
Oh! What do you think of Ryan's ceramic job?
It's not bad. Not bad at all.
It's a lot better than your drying job.
Yeah, that's true.
So what are your plans for this thing anyway?
Oh, you know, really drift it, tap a few walls, fix it, break
Shut
it.
up. You're not even. You think this thing's too nice. Yeah.
For those of you who are wondering, he basically has a drag S15 with an RB3026 head. How many kilowatts? 430 kilowatt, and this thing is 260? Is this thing at 260? 260?
No, 200.
Oh, well, 200 kilowatt drift car. He hasn't drifted it yet?
55 kilowatt. 55 kilowatt to the wheels, to the crank. So some mangy low-key. So man said I'm getting exhaust for Hilux, stock one, and he said $100. I have to drive up the Kahuna and get it. And then he just messaged me and said 125. I can bring it to Bendigo.
$25?
What is $25 to bring it to Kahuna? Man.
$25 postage, basically.
I've been wanting to race this S3 for years.
Wait, this is old man just me and Fano. We're taking photos of the Falcon and we're walking up to it.
Yep, I forgot what I was going to say.
That's a
Yeah, 200.
It's okay.
200.
How may kilowatts?
198 there is. Not sure.
And you?
180. Well, 179 if you want to be specific.
yeah.
700.
Wow. Yeah, I reckon you're spanking.
So, everyone place your bets. Who do you think's going to win?
What, the definitely has been a talk ever since we put on the fucking. Oh, he got it done.
Yeah.
Did it. He said it was tuned at 220, but he detuned it.
Yeah.
Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Who do you think's going to win, the red or the white? Lee, what's your bet?
It's going straight. You can't be shit.
Top end.
It does definitely have torque.
Low end, top end. This will bin at the start. Bin, win, and then they'll catch up.
Now I'm in fifth gear, and I just fucking drop it, and then we start like doing it. And it's just like, wait, is this in fifth? And I'm like, yeah.
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
we're just cruising.
I reckon 100%, man.
Because we're only going to the speed limit.
Yeah.
110 is the speed limit. 120 is recommended.
We can just put a sticker that says 80.
For legal purposes, we're just going to go on that road and it goes up to 70. Yeah.
Goes to Mexico. Goes to my home.
It's a 70 kilometer per hour Mexican road down the street because we're actually in Mexico right now. Who do you think's going to win then?
He's a driver. What if he talks you into a like side round?
If you're talking,
That's basically what we did with the Miata.
I know.
Is this thing on E?
Oh, you thought you smelled E?
Yeah, I thought I smelled ethanol. basically, we gave him the smoke. The audio was distorted as fuck. Yes, now we're pulling into our main hangout spot. And yeah, I guess we'll just talk shit for a couple minutes and then go home.
Sam's coming here. Mr. Teggy's coming here. It's fucking loud. Wait, no, never mind. What do you want? What you want? You want Mangy Loco or the white one?
Evan Shanks, I like the white one.
I didn't realise. Oh, I'm eating it. I'm eating it.
It's a Ford Territory Cross
2006.
fucking spider alien thing.
Rear wheel, front wheel drive, Barra, inline 6V.
Yep.
I know
You heard it there, folks.
Yeah,
It's
I
yep.
built his car. It's a WV
Caprice.
Capri.